Class 6, this is your science class. We are reading unit number 5. This is your lecture number 3 of unit number 5. In this lecture we will read from page number 65 to page number 69. Student, at page 65 there is an activity. In this activity, distinguish between element, compound and mixture in the list flow. There are 3 columns. In first column we will tell about elements. Silver, iron and oxygen are elements. For mixture, milk, air and ice cream are mixture. For compound, water is a compound, salt is a compound, sugar is a compound and iron sulfide is a compound. Now we will study about different method of separating mixture. There are certain methods which mixture can be separated easily. First one, filtration. In filtration, when a mixture is passed through filter paper, the solid particle are left on a filter paper and the clear liquid passes through it. This liquid is called filtrate. This was a method of filtration. Second one method is evaporation. If solid has completely dissolved in liquid, it can be separated from mixture by evaporating the liquid. When liquid evaporates, the solid is left behind. Third method is crystallization. Many solids can be separated from solution by forming crystal. This method works because soluble solid become less soluble at low temperature. When solution is heated until most of solvent evaporate, a concentrated mixture is left behind. Then this solution is allowed to cool slowly. The crystal of solid are formed. These crystals can be dried between the folds of filter paper. In the diagram, the complete method is explained. Fourth one method is paper chromatography. Paper chromatography is the method used to separate mixture of colored substances like different color of ink found in a black ink. For this activity, put a small drop of black ink in the center of piece of filter paper and allow it to dry. Add 3 or 4 more drops on the same spot, allow each drop to dry. Add some water to the spot. 1 drop at a time, the ink spread on and form a color ring on the paper. The number of rings indicates the number of different colors present in the ink. Next, a method is distillation. This is method to obtain a pure solvent from a solution. For this activity, first we have to set the apparatus as shown in the diagram. The solution is heated in the flask. It boils and steam rises into the condenser. Salt is left behind and the condenser is the cooler, so that the steam condenses into the water inside. The water drips into the beaker. It is completely pure and distilled water. In this method, liquid can be purified by the solid. Student, at page 65 there is an activity. In this activity, distinguish between element, compound and mixture in the list flow. There are 3 columns. In first column we will tell about elements. Silver, iron and oxygen are elements. For mixture, milk, air and ice cream are mixture. For compound, water is a compound, salt is a compound, sugar is a compound and iron sulfide is a compound. At page number 68, there is an activity, remember and understand. These are in the form of fill in the blank. Student, first you learn this activity and do it in your book. Number 1, mixture is made up of 2 or more substances which are not chemically combined. Number 2, mixture can be separated by evaporation, distillation and crystallization. Number 3, compound is formed when atoms chemically combine with each other. Number 4, symbols are the abbreviation used to write the name of elements. Number 5, chemical name tell us number of atoms on the element present in a compound. Student, there is another activity on page number 68, brain teaser. Complete the crossword puzzle below. This is a puzzle. you have given different hints according to cross or down. Now I will tell you answer of this puzzle. Like down, number 1, negatively charged wall around the nucleus is electron. Number 2, made up of 2 or more atoms chemically together, molecules. Number 3, they are good conductor of heat and electricity, metals. Number 4, it is a neutral particle which is found in the nucleus of an atom, neutron. Number 5, it is a substance that is made up of atoms of same kind. This is elements. Number 6, they have low melting and boiling point. Where is this? Number 6, non-metal. Number 7, it is a positive charged particle which is present in the nucleus of an atom, proton, positive charged particle. Do it on your. Now your chapter number 5 is completed. This is your home task. First you have to learn, remember and understand present at page number 68 and as well as present at page number 65. Secondly, you start reading from page number 65 and complete it at page number 68, and do remember and understand on your book. Thanks.